Malengi mafum kayata pangthoknakhibagum thasi kuntarukta Jiribamdasu District Administration gi mieng makhada District Police Jiribam na sinduna International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ingkumja lising ani kunwa gi thoramda Evidence is Clear, Invest in Prevention haiba thimda miyoy kayana saruk jaduna Jiribam na thoramdu pangthokki thoramadu manung channa Miyam punna lamdam asidagi drug sing marufangna muthalasi aikoi punna drug ki mayokta lepminarsi haiba paujil puduna Jiribam Erabot statue manaktagi hauraga Isel Club Diwang phawba khongchat amasu chatki khongchat aduda Jiribam District Police ki SP Sheikh Mahmud Japir Zakir Additional SP Law and Order Thomas Thoksom Additional SP Operation S Gaurachan 87 Battalion CRPF ki personnel sing School ki mahiroi sing amadi Additional Deputy Commissioner Manoranjan Thoksom na chingba saruk yaki Malem pumbada drug na sokolaba masina piriba chaitheng kaya asibu lamdam asigi miyam punamakna khangminaduna mayai kaba drug sing muthatnaba amatta oina lepminaduna chawkhatpa ingtappa lamdam ama ohenna hotnaminarasi drug marufangna muthatpa drug sizinaba amadi jonba laitaba lamdam ama ohelasi haiba wafum kayasu District Police Jiribam ngi maikedagi miyamda paujel pikhi Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India ki mieng makhada chathariba Dharti Aba Abhiyan and Benefit Saturation Campaign asida District Administration Jiribam na sinduna tha asigi 35 dagi khumang chawsin na changsilli hiram asigi matangda Jiribam ki Deputy Commissioner Krishna Kumar na AIR Imphal ga akhanana unaba amada phongdoropagi matungina 10 gwa scheme asigi manung channa district asigi khungang ahum haibadi Jarol Pokpi Butangkhal amasung Soto Bagrabu Khangat laba khung ahum asida Jiribam ki tongan ma line department singa khusam naraga Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Rural Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana Jal Jeevan Mission House Electrification New Solar Power Scheme Forest Rights Act 2006 Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana National Health Mission National Sickle Cell Mission Angawadi Centers Skill India Mission Makhal kayagi scheme sing khungang sing asigi praja singda akaknaba matamgi manungda phanganaba hotnari phongdokhi Deputy Commissioner na asumna hai
As we are aware that Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India is conducting a nationwide focused campaign that is Dharti Aba Abhiyan Awareness and Benefit Saturation Camp from 15th June to 30th June to ensure awareness about different schemes, programs and services of different government departments which can be delivered on the spot itself under the Dharti Aba Janjati Gram Utkarsh Abhiyan scheme, which is a time-bound mission which aim to saturate services, ensure infrastructural development in the tribal areas and to empower tribal communities. Under Dharti Aba Janjati Gram Utkarsh Abhiyan, 3 villages of Jiribam district, namely Jairul Pokpi, Bhutankhal and Choto Vekra have been identified for holistic and sustainable development. For Jiribam district, campaign has already been launched today, that is 16th June 2025 at Choto Vekra village. And for the remaining 2 villages, that is Jairul Pokpi and Bhutankhal, it will be conducted in due course. District administration, in close coordination with the other line departments, will ensure delivery of services which can be delivered on the spot itself, and also enrollment under different schemes and programs. Will also make an assessment so that all the benefit can be provided in these 3 villages. The schemes include Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Rural, under which eligible beneficiaries, they will be provided housing facilities. So recently we have conducted survey under PMYG Awas Plus, where all the eligible beneficiaries, their houses have been captured through geotag photo and their details have been uploaded. Under Ayushman Bharat card, all the eligible beneficiaries, those names are in checklist. They will be also provided health cards so that in future need there can be fulfilled.
Thamjaningna wafamdi laingaki maikaidi piriba khudong chabasing miyamna mapung phana lobiduna pukchel sangna chawkhatpa amadi manaba khunai ama ohenna honnabada aikhoi khudimakna tengbang pinabadi yamnamak mathau tai hainingi